Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls for Oblivion Remastered. In this video I'll show you how to fix fatal error crash on AMD graphics card. In the beginning, since today, which is 25th of April, they disabled FSR in games settings. The crash still happens. What you have to do is going to AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. Make sure that it is updated to the latest version. And next, go to your graphics settings. Set the profile default. And make sure that Antilag, Radeon Boost, and Chill are disabled. Also disable Super Resolution and AMD Fluid Motion Frames. If you are playing on Nvidia graphic card, update GPU drivers, run the game as administrator, disable overlays like Discord, G4 Experience, Xbox Game Bar, verify game files, or reinstall the game. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe,